The news summary, good evening. The Principal Secretary for Fisheries, Roy Claris, says that the country will be benefiting greatly under a new fisheries agreement that allows Taiwanese industrial longline vessels to fish in Seychelles' waters. The new agreement will be made public once signed, compared to the previous one, which contained non-disclosure confidentiality clauses.
The current agreement that we have with the Taiwanese fishing fleet is dated since 2007, so there was a need to have a new agreement. And last week we concluded the negotiation, second round of negotiations for the new agreement. The new agreement will take effect from 1st of January 2023. And in the new agreement there is provision for increase in the license fees for the vessels. There's a provision for the vessels to come to port more often for port activities, and this will allow the country to benefit more economically from these vessels that are fishing in our waters.
The total number of reported active COVID-19 cases has decreased steadily over the past 3 weeks. According to the Ministry of Health, the 7-day rolling average is 28 cases. The number of active cases is 294, 250 on Mahé, 34 on Praslin, and 10 on Ladig. Most districts are reporting cases, with Baie-Sainte-Anne-Praslin reporting the highest number of cases, which is 23. There is no patient currently admitted to the hospital because of COVID-19 infection. The ministry is urging the public to remain vigilant and continue taking personal responsibility to prevent infection. 16 students from various secondary schools on Mahé, Praslin, and Ladig got the chance to ask President Wever Ramkalawan questions about issues that concerns the youth. This was during the second presidential dialogue to commemorate the United Nations Universal Children's Day at State House this morning. The dialogue is a collaboration between the Office of the President and the National Council for Children, NCC. Also present at the dialogue was the First Lady, Linda Ramkalawan, and the Cabinet of Ministers. The question asks covered almost all sectors of the government, such as health, education, and environment. President Ramkalawan described the dialogue as an opportunity to hear about issues that are pertinent to the youth.
You are the future of the country. The country is putting before you everything that is possible. I want each one of you to become a professional in your own field. I wish you the very best. I want you to become solid citizens of this country. I want you to be responsible parents tomorrow. I want you to be adults who will take care of your children, adults who will give encouragement to your children whilst you continue to help in the building of our country. This is the mission that I'm sending you out with.
Cost of living due to the Russian-Ukrainian war, climate change, and COVID-19 are some of the challenges that African countries are facing. These points were raised in the 26th meeting of the Intergovernmental Committee of Senior Officials and experts of the UNECA sub-regional offices for Eastern and Central Africa. During the meeting at Savoy Hotel, they discussed on ways to improve policies and strategic developments linked to these situations in Africa. More than 15 countries on the African continent are attending the 4-day meeting.
We, as ECA, our role is to serve our member states to improve their policies and their development strategies to promote structural transformation and prosperity in Africa. So we are at the disposal of our member states to help them to do that. And at the end of the year, they come together to discuss what we have done. We take the opportunity to discuss emerging issues, challenges of the moment, but more so opportunities and solutions to be doing even better, to improve policies and strategies for development. And it is also the platform where they tell us what we have done as ECA is good. They would like us to put the focus on additional issues that are important to them. So basically, the ICOE also gives us our mandate, what we should do to support best our member states.
That's it for the news summary. We'll be back at 8 for the Creole News. Bye-bye for now.